Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate recurring buys across multiple slices in SoFi Invest. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in SoFi Invest, it currently requires you to set up separate recurring buys for each individual stock or ETF slice. So for this, you need to simply go and tap open your SoFi Invest. Once you open your SoFi Invest, all you can do is navigate to the invest section. Once you're in the invest section, select the stock or ETF you want to simply have selected, or you want to purchase, or you want to invest in. So choose the trade option. Simply select the recurring option and specify the amount and frequency. You can choose the funding source as well and review and confirm. So to manage your automated investments, review scheduled activity, your funding, and automated investing options. So this way you can simply do this. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.